and it's gonna flow 6x9, 6x9, 5.25, 5.25, 6x9, 6x9, 5.25. So like I said, it's gonna all flow. And then this one, just like that. Now, just gotta throw them in the car. So y'all can't tell me this don't look good. This little setup here, 5.25 into both the 6x9s into the last 5.25. If I ever want to, I can come back, add a tweeter here or something, you know.
Bingo, I got action.
What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now if y'all didn't check out my last video, go check it out. I went ahead and showed y'all my 6x9s that I got for this box Chevy. Now I know it's better, it's most likely better speakers I can get, you know what I'm saying. I know y'all probably gonna tell me it's better speakers I can get for this car, but I had already bought a set of 5.25 speakers for my Cutlass, and y'all had told me to upgrade to some DS18 6.5s, so I ended up doing that. So now I got these 5.25 speakers and not doing nothing with them, so I decided to just throw them in this car and use them in here for now, and then later on down the line I can always upgrade, you know what I'm saying. Nothing's never final with these cars, you know. I always upgrade, always something better, I always do better, you know what I'm saying. So for now we're gonna rock out with them 5.25s on the rear deck, and I went ahead and ordered some 6x9 so it'll all match. It'll be all the same brand, all the same speaker covers and everything on that rear deck, so it'll all be one same flow straight down, you know what I'm saying, straight out the back. So yeah man, we went ahead and got the 6x9s. Last video I showed them to y'all. This video we're gonna be installing them, so I hope y'all excited, I hope y'all ready for this. It looks good back there, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna show y'all everything in the back. Y'all can kind of see that 6x9 right there just a little bit, but like I said man, excuse me, everything's working out so far with the box Chevy, working out pretty good, you know. The last final thing I'm really waiting on for this car is my window regulator. Everything else will be finished, you feel me. Once we get that regulator in, I'm gonna install it, then we're gonna wash the car, we're gonna wash the rims on it, and I'm just enjoying my summer with my box Chevy on 6s, you know. It's my first ever car on 26s on big wheels like this, you know. I've never had a car bigger than 22s, and you feel me, now I got a car with 26s on it. I'm excited man. I'm ready to just roll with it during the summer. Y'all know I told y'all I'm getting a built motor. It's a built 350. I still gotta go pick it up, so I was just waiting on my pops. Whenever he get ready, we're gonna go pick it up. And yeah, that's the only reason why the paint is being pushed back on this car now, is because I'm doing another motor swap on this car, you know what I'm saying. I mean it's the same motor, but this one's built that I'm getting, you feel me. It's a built 350, and I think you got the 4-speed transmission. My box Chevy right now has a three-speed transmission, and this car feels so slow, but it's really loud, but this car feels so slow. So I decided to upgrade the motor, get a built motor, and I'm pretty sure the transmission might be built too, but I know he told me that he was driving with that motor on the interstate, you feel me, and had no problems getting up there in speed. So I'm excited, and the price I'm getting for that motor and transmission is, I can buy two of those. If he had two of them, I can buy 2 of those motor and transmissions for the same price as 1 transmission. That's it, you know what I'm saying. So that should tell y'all how good of a price I'm getting this motor for, and it's kind of a family and friends discount, you know, so that's one reason. And yeah, all I can tell y'all is it's way less than $1,000, so I could not pass up on this deal to get this motor. And if I ever get another car, I'm trying to get a Monte Carlo, and then I have this motor that's in this car to put in that car. So yeah, I'm looking for a shell. I don't care if it have a motor or not. I'm looking for a shell because I can throw a motor in there. So yeah man, enough about all that. This video is about them 6x9, so we're finna get ready to get these rear decks out and install them speakers, and we're gonna go from there and call it a day, you know what I'm saying. So I hope y'all liked the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together, and I'll catch y'all once I get to the back of the car. Alright y'all, so in the back of the car now, like I told y'all, these are the 5.25s I got, and I need to use them. And these are the 6x9s I just got, and I'm going to use them. Put it like it, man. So that's the image I'm going for, you feel me. And it's gonna flow 6x9, 6x9, 5.25, 5.25, 6x9, 6x9, 5.25. So like I said, it's gonna all flow fully. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know these rear decks are rear decks that we made because the previous owner had cut basically one big hole going all the way down the entire rear deck. So I had to do something to cover it up, and I decided to just throw speakers back here instead of just covering it up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed this video of us installing these speakers. I got my screws and everything, and the only thing I really got to do is the metal framing part back here. I'm gonna have to bend it like this way a little bit, you know what I'm saying, so the speaker will go down there flush. Because if y'all see, got like a small little gap right there, so I need the speakers to go down flush. This is what the speakers look like. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying. Some cool little 6x9s, and like I said, it's not this is everything with this car is temporary, you know. My rear deck speakers, my wheels, everything with this car is temporary. So even the motor that's in it right now is temporary, because we putting that built 350 in here. The wheels, I want to go 28s, but I don't want to cut, so if I have to cut, I'm not going 28s. Rear deck speakers, we can always upgrade later on, but for now, like I said, I need to get my money's worth. And yeah, I need to get my money's worth and use these speakers. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use them, you know what I'm saying. I got an extra set of 5.25s. Come back here, the extra set of 5.25s, you know what I'm saying, that needs to be used or something done with them, you feel me. But yeah, man, here go the other 6x9 is in this box, and I will be getting it out once we get ready to go ahead and install them in the car. So one of the first things I need to do is sit y'all here. All right, and then pull these out. So I need to move this speaker, so move my 6x9 real quick and pull these rear decks out. And the speakers are not hooked up. My 5.25s, they not hooked up right now because, like I said, I wasn't hooking nothing up until I got my 6x9s in the mail. So first board is out with the 5.25, and then the 6x9 should sit flush in there. Oh, nope. These 6x9s are a little too big, so it's definitely gonna have a little gap. It'll be all right, you know what I'm saying. It'll still look pretty good. They have a small little gap, but it'll be all right. It'll still look good. So I definitely might have ordered the wrong size speakers, or maybe my hole just not big enough. I don't know, you feel me. We'll figure everything out later on, but for now we can go ahead and get this done, so I'll catch y'all once we get to the back of the car. All right, y'all, so I've now finished. So one of the last things I gotta do now is just throw this mesh back on and then throw them back in the car. Y'all let me know what y'all think, how they came out. But like I said, just gotta push this mesh down. Just like that. And then this one, just like that. Now, just gotta throw them in the car. So let's go ahead and do that now. You know what, I'm gonna have to sit this. I'm gonna have to sit y'all up first. So, like I said, we gotta throw them in the car, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wire them up. So, yeah, man, let's go ahead and do that. Let me sit y'all right there. Good. All right. Alright, now I gotta throw these up in here, and then like I said, we gotta wire them up. Then we should be good to go. Alright, make sure that's all the way over, and they are good to go. Y'all was falling down. Alright. Let's try and squeeze this one on up in there. Let them wires down. Still hit on the frame just a little bit. Come Come on, get down. There we go. Come on, go down. Come on, squeeze, squeeze. Ah. Whew. This one gonna be the struggle, bro. Let me slide y'all down just a little bit. This one gonna be the struggle. That first one went in pretty easy. Come on, it's almost down. I see one reason why. Come on. I don't want to mess these stickers up. Got my trim. There we go. Get under that trim. Come on. All right, yeah, so let me try and get this one in, then I'm gonna come back to y'all when we start in the wiring process. So we in the back of the car now, and like I said, we need to go ahead and wire this stuff up. So let me sit y'all here, and yeah, let me go ahead and try and get this done. Oh, never. The ones for the 5.25 are facing the seat. Oh man, I did not think about that. Alright, one. Come on. Ouch. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to figure that out in a second. Same thing with this one. Alright. Let me see where I'm going. All right. Yeah, I can't see. I'm gonna have to do this off camera again. So yeah, let me finish this up, then should come back for the outro. All right, y'all, so everything's finished, everything's wired, everything's done, and they are mounted in there, man. And y'all can't tell me this don't look good. This little setup here, 5.25 into it, both the 6x9s into the last 5.25. If I ever want to, I can come back, add a tweeter here or something, you know, or like one of them little horn shaped speakers or something, you know. You feel me? I can always come back and add more because I still have little space on each side. But yeah, man, this is the rear deck. This is the image I was going for, I should say. Y'all let me know y'all opinions, what y'all think, how y'all feel about it, how y'all feel it came out. Like I said, man, I really like it. And if we go from the outside of the car, hold on. You see? And it just looks better, you know, it just looks a lot better. So yeah, man, the car is getting finished, you know what I'm saying? It's definitely coming out a lot better than how it was at first. You know, we had made a custom overlay and it did not look good at all. This looked 10 times better than that overlay I was trying to do, you know. And then like I said, man, the mesh really sets it off. Mesh speaker covers. So last thing we gotta do now, finish this. So we're just waiting on that regulator to come in. Once that regulator come in, we can install all this stuff back and I can finally start driving my car. And I have new speakers in here, you know, so the music will be a little better, because sometimes it'll be staticky. And I fixed the wiring was messed up, so I fixed that as well. Yeah, man, everything is coming out perfectly, man. And I'm already running out of memory on this SIM card, so I'm gonna have to give me another SIM card. More money being spent than money being made, you know. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying. I'm glad I'm able to record this stuff for y'all and y'all enjoying the content, because it's a lot I've been doing and I've been having fun doing all this stuff. But one of the main things I'm really proud of is how this rear deck came out. Like I told you, man, I'm really loving it. 5.25 into the 6x9. My bad, y'all. Some stuff up here I need to get off. But yeah, man, I can't wait to take the car on the drive, you know. Like I said, we're just waiting on this. So I take the car on the drive, I can hear my rear deck speakers in here. And yeah, man, I just want y'all opinion on it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But other than that, man, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm excited, man. I'm excited to start driving this car again. Like I said, we're waiting on one final piece, which is their window regulator. Then I can wash the car, take it for a ride, and just chill out for the summer and cruise for the summer, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can go to a few car shows. I know a couple of y'all, when I dropped the video of me mounting my car on 26s, one of y'all has said, I wish I would have wrote down your name, but yeah, one of y'all has said Hustle and Flow Box Chevy in the comment section. I've been getting a few people message me telling me my car looked like the Hustle and Flow Box Chevy. Y'all know the box Chevy, before they had painted it and stuff in that movie, it was blue with like a red fender, you know what I'm saying? So I understand, because my car got a different color fender on here than all the rest of the car, you know what I'm saying? Even though both my fenders are different. I'm getting off topic, you know what I'm saying? I still want to just cruise around in my car, you know what I'm saying, for the summer. I really don't care what it look like, because I know it's mine and I own it, and I know the plans that I have for it in the future. So yeah, man, make sure I hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing, elevating together. And yeah, man, leave y'all opinions in the comments, what y'all think about this. Like I said, share the channel, share this video. I love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.